Guys, I don't know what to call this. I could call it unboxing the Rain SIM card for your phone, SIM phone, cell phone, the one for 319. So I just got it. Now Rain has an option to collect instead of waiting for 3 days or whatever. You just go collect your SIM card. I think they give you some free data if you do that. Applied online, went and collected at somewhere in which place, close to Rivonia, somewhere there. Okay, now we're gonna unbox it. Yeah, this is what you find inside. You're gonna get your pin here and the SIM card is here. So I'm gonna put the SIM card into the phone. So right, it's a new SIM card. Don't worry about anything. I know you can't see anything, but it's fine. It's giving me some stress. Okay, I'm done with the SIM card here. So I'm gonna put it into the phone. Then we're gonna test. Okay, after inserting into the phone, I'm gonna switch on Samsung. It's just a SIM card. Phone is taking long to come on, but it's fine. So the trick I'm going to do is, I did apply for the card which takes for the SIM card. So when you apply for 4G only, the system tricks you to sell to a 5G, of which I didn't want. So I asked for this one, for the phone, then I'm gonna convert it into what they call a 4G SIM card, the one for 500, right? Rain. Okay, so I'm gonna log into Rain while I'm waiting for the phone to turn on. Okay, the phone is on anyway, so I'm gonna get the pin for the phone. Okay, once the pin is in, so we want to check if the internet is working. Once the internet is working, we're gonna be fine. So I'm gonna switch off the Wi-Fi. Switch off the Wi-Fi here. Then yes, it's off. Then I wanna switch on the data, of which is on now. So let me test if my Rain is working. If it's working, then I'm gonna go to the second trick. Maybe let me go to Play Store, something I didn't want to do. Okay. Okay. Let's go to Play Store. Notify me. Try again. Okay, it says like I'm offline, so I don't understand that, but it's fine. So what I'm gonna do, I want to get. Okay, guys, we're gonna set with what avenue. Okay. So the reason why I'm here is I want to convert this SIM card to, you can see switch. This is the best way I'm gonna switch. I'm switching this from the one for cell phone to, you can say you are about to switch, confirm. When you do that, it says successful, right? So that simply means now I'm no more on this cell phone, the one for 300, I'm went to the 4G for 500, something like that. So the reason why I'm doing that, I didn't want the delays. So I'm now fine. If I go to my RAIN, you can see it shows SIM, 4G SIM. It hasn't updated, but it's gonna update very, very soon. Okay, that's it, guys. You've seen what we've done, so you can manage here also. But if you switch to, you can, let me see, this product is scheduled to switch on 4GN 31 of March, which is today. So it's gonna switch off on to today. But then the bad thing is, if you switch to a lower package, they won't switch same time. They will tell you that it's gonna switch next month. But if it's a higher package where they get more money, it will be easy for them to do that. Guys, the SIM card is working 100%. I put it in a new phone because it was giving me problem. Let me click on menu. You can see the internet is on, so I'm using the same SIM card. Whatever I go on, it's there. Yeah, well, that's it. I don't think we're gonna have any issues. Let me go to, I would say, Facebook. Facebook. Okay, I got Facebook here. You can see everything what it says, so it means I'm on internet. So the trick is, get that SIM card for the SIM, then when you reach home, convert it as I showed you on the RAIN thing here. Thanks for watching, guys, and I really hope to see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe on our channel.